Okay, grade 8, today we're going to talk about the surface area of the cylinder, and as you can see I've already started taking apart my cylinder. Luckily I got to eat these already. Most people realize that the ends of a cylinder are circular, both ends. In this case one's metal and one's plastic. But what some people fail to realize is that the tube, or the actual cylindrical structure itself, when you roll it out, gives you, in this case, a rectangle. Now it looks almost like a square, but it is a rectangle. Alright, so there's a couple of formulas you're going to have to remember in order to calculate the surface area of a rectangle. One is you're going to need to find the area of the circle, which is area equals pi r squared. You'll maybe remember that from earlier in the year. But the other thing we need is the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle, if you remember, is the perimeter around the outside of the circle. You could use c equals pi d, or c equals 2 pi r, or pi 2r. And the reason why you need the circumference of the circle is because it's the circumference of the circle that is the top part of the rectangle. So if I were to put a line on here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it with the camera, but I'm putting a line on there. Okay, and I'm going to start it right here, and if I roll it, it should end up right at the other side, and this is almost right there, as you can see. So one revolution around the circle, or one circumference difference around the circle, is also equal to the length of the rectangle. So you'll also need the height of the tube. So the long and the short of it is you're going to have to calculate the area of a circle. You're going to have to times it by 2 because there's 2 circles. Then you're going to have to calculate the circumference of the circle to get the width of the container. And then you're going to have to multiply that by the height in order to get the rectangle of the tube. And then you're going to have to add the areas of the circles to the area of the rectangle. So that's what I'm going to show you next. Nice. Thanks, baby.